Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix HP laptop on turn on caps lock flashing or blinking. When your HP laptop caps lock light blink and it won't turn on, it usually indicates a hardware issue. Here are some tips you can try to fix it. Fix 1. Perform a hard reset. This method can resolve many issues including the related to power and hardware. Turn off the laptop, disconnect all the external devices, USB drivers, printers, etc. Remove the battery if removable. Press and hold the power button for about 15 seconds. Reinsert the battery and reconnect the AC adapter. Turn on the laptop. Fix 2. Reset the RAM. If you suspect memory issue, resetting or replacing the RAM may help. Power off the laptop and remove the battery and AC adapter. Open the access panel to reach the RAM modules. Remove and then reinsert the RAM stick into their slot securely. If possible, test with different RAM stick. Fix 3. Recover or update BIOS. If you suspect BIOS corruption, you can attempt to recover it using a USB drive. Create a bootable USB drive with BIOS recovery files. Turn off your laptop, hold down the Windows key plus B while pressing the power button to start it up. Follow the on-screen instruction to recover or update BIOS. Fix 4. Seek professional help. If none of the above steps work, it may indicate a more severe internal failure. Contact HP support or professional technician for further assistance. I hope it will be useful for you. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.